Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to see if someone took a screenshot of your Instagram chat. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my Instagram application on my mobile phone, and then to see if someone took a screenshot of your Instagram chat, you need to activate the disappearing messages feature or a vanish mode. I'm going to go to my Instagram direct messages, and I'm going to show you how we can activate vanish mode or disappearing messages feature. I'm going to open up one of my room chat on Instagram direct messages, for example this one, and then I'm going to click on the account's name right here, and then here we'll be able to activate the disappearing messages feature. Okay, just tap on that, and then you can click on the circle button to activate the disappearing messages feature, and you can see the duration. For example, I'm going to select 24 hours, so messages will disappear after 24 hours, and then if screenshots are detected, a notification will appear in the chat. So if this account takes screenshot of our chat on Instagram, we'll get a notification. Okay, and I'm going to try it guys. I'm going to take screenshot of this chat. Okay, and this is the notification. I took a screenshot. And if you want to turn off the disappearing messages feature, you just need to go back to the setting, and then you'll be able to disable it. Just tap on the disappearing messages, and then you can click on the circle button to disable that feature, or you can simply swipe up your screen, and then you'll be able to turn off the disappearing messages. Okay. And for your information guys, that not all Instagram accounts have this feature. I'm going to show you my second account on Instagram, and as you can see that there is no disappearing messages feature, but don't worry, because I think the Instagram give us this feature gradually, so we need to wait for the disappearing messages feature. If you haven't got this feature, I recommend you to report this problem to Instagram, and I hope you will get this feature on your Instagram account guys. Okay guys, and that's all the way to see if someone took a screenshot of our Instagram chat. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video guys.